A carving chisel set is an essential tool for woodworkers, carpenters, sculptors, and artisans who demand precision, control, and durability in every cut. This set typically includes a variety of chisels, with different blade shapes and sizes, such as gouges, V-tools, skew chisels, and straight chisels, designed to handle everything from rough shaping to delicate detailing. Each chisel is forged from high-quality, hardened steel to ensure long-lasting sharpness and edge retention, even when working with dense hardwoods. The blades are finely honed to deliver clean, accurate cuts, reducing the need for constant sharpening and allowing the user to maintain focus on the creative process. Whether you're carving ornate designs, crafting wooden figurines, or refining joints in cabinetry, the versatility of a well-made chisel set enables you to execute complex techniques with confidence and efficiency. In addition to superior blades, a quality carving chisel set features ergonomic handles, often made from hardwood, polymer, or rubberized grips, to provide comfort during prolonged use and minimize hand fatigue. The balanced construction ensures that each chisel sits securely in the hand, giving users precise control over depth and angle, which is critical for achieving consistent results in fine woodwork. Some sets also come with a protective roll or case for safe storage and convenient organization, keeping your tools in optimal condition between projects. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate hobbyist, investing in a reliable carving chisel set not only enhances your craftsmanship, but also expands your creative capabilities, turning raw materials into beautifully carved masterpieces.